Hey there, you're welcome to Skilldemi. My name is Philemon. In this video, I am going to teach you how to insert table of contents in your Word documents. If this is your first time, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our pages for subsequent and educative content on this. Alright, let's zoom in. So, table of contents actually helps people to trace information on the page that they are looking for. So, let's say we want to show our headings in the table of contents. Now, the first thing you need to ensure is that you have to be on your home toolbar. Then you highlight the item that you want to use. So let's say we want our introduction here to reflect in the table of contents. Highlight the introduction. Then you come to styles. When you come to styles, click on the drop down arrow here. You see series of options here. We are going with the first heading that we have here, so select this heading. Now when you select this heading, you realize that the text here picks the format within which this one is formatted. All right, so let's do a few formatting styles here. So you right click on this, then you go to modify. Now inside the modify, come to the formatting. Now for the purposes of this training, we are choosing Times New Roman and we are choosing a font size of 12. Okay, then we bolding it. All right, we bolding it. Then we come to the font color. We change the font color to automatic, so it becomes black. All right, when you are done, then you come OK, and it automatically takes the form of the heading one that we have over here. So when you want to select the next item you want it to appear in your table of contents, all you have to do is to highlight the text, then you go back to the heading and you click on the heading this way. So you do same for subsequent headings that you want it to reflect in your document. So you do same for this heading this way. When you are done, then it creates the space or the page that you want to insert your table of contents. So we are placing our table of contents on our first page that we have over here. So you come here, then you go to reference. Okay, you under reference, then you see table of contents on your extreme left. Click on the drop down arrow. For the purposes of this training, we are selecting the second option, automatic table 1. So we select automatic table 1. The moment you click on it, it appears. Okay, it appears, and this is how easy and simple you can insert table of contents in your document. But then let's say we want to show other subheadings in the table of contents. All right, all you have to do is to do same thing for the headings that we did. So let's say we want the purpose, for instance this text over here, to reflect in our table of contents, but because it is a subheading, we do not want it to be in the same style as the main headings are. So you highlight the text, you come to the drop down arrow here again under the styles, then you select the second heading. So this is actually heading 2, so you click on heading 2, just like the same thing as first. Now when you do just like the first main heading, so let's do some few formatting over here. Right click on it, come to modify, then you change the font color to automatic, you bolding it, then you change the font size to 12, you change the font to Times New Roman. When you are done, you go to OK, and it appears this way. Right, so we do same for all our subsequent subheadings that we want it to show. All you have to do is to highlight the text and click on the heading. So you highlight the text and you click on the heading, and that is how it is done. When you are done, there's no need to insert the table of content again. All you have to do is to click anywhere inside the table of content, then this update table symbol will show. Click on it and it will ask you whether you are updating numbers only or you are updating the entire table. We are updating the entire table, so we click on update entire table this way, then you go OK, and this is how it is. So you realize that your headings are standing out and your subheadings are also standing out, just to differentiate between your headings and your subheadings. Now this is how you can easily insert table of contents in your document. Thank you for watching.